It's 5:15 a.m. We're in Glendale, Arizona, suburb of Phoenix. And this is by far my favorite time of the day to get out and ride around. It's not nighttime anymore, but the sun isn't completely up. Technically, it's called civil twilight. I like to call it morning twilight, and one of my followers reminded me that John Steinbeck called it the pearl. You can also call it the twilight zone, and it happens twice a day. Let's go take a look at it. Oh, and before I forget, for those of you with a more practical point of view, the high today will be 101, and it's 81 right now. We're going due west right now. The sun is behind us, and it's starting to light up the top of the trees. I love watching this every morning. And I never paid any attention to this when I drove a car, but now I'm fascinated by it. And there's a phenomenon that happens that I would have never believed if I hadn't felt it. Right when the sun comes up, like right now, the temperature drops a couple of degrees. You can actually feel it. Well, you can feel it if you're out there riding around and you haven't got much clothes on, and that's what I'm doing. I just love watching the sun come up and light up everything, the promise of a new day. With each new day, I feel like I could get it right this time, or at least make it a little bit better. This is the hour of the pearl, when time stops and examines itself. Thanks for riding along with me this morning. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.